there, here's exactly what you need to click to start practicing your speaking and practicing your English with our Chattybot in our Canvas class. You will need 2 codes to be able to connect the assignment, so make sure you have the class code and the Chatty Pass written down somewhere, or you can always scroll up and see it on your screen, but make sure you find those before you try to get started. You have all the instructions in Canvas for you, so you're going to click the Take the Survey button in Canvas. Then you'll see a pop-up. You'll need to enter your name, the class code, the Chatty Pass code, and then there's a drop-down where you'll select your first language. The Chattybot will load and ask you a question. You need to click Start Conversation, and you'll start the conversation. The Chattybot will ask you a question. You will click Speak, record your response, or answer the question in English, speaking out loud, and then click Send when you're done talking. Then you'll have a conversation just like that. I'll walk through all the steps now. So here's Take the Survey. We click this button. And here's our pop-up. So again, enter your name here, the class code, the Chatty Pass code. You'll need to type these in or copy and paste them from above, and then put in your first language. I'm going to put in English because that's my first language. You can put in your first language. Click Send, and then you'll see the Chattybot screen. From here, we'll click Start Conversation.
What challenges do you face learning English in America?
Now I'm going to click Speak, record my response, and then send it to have my conversation. One challenge that I face learning English in America is that I'm very scared. It's hard for me to get my brain to work when I need to speak in English because I'm just so scared that I'm going to say something wrong. When I'm done recording,
I understand that feeling. It's normal to be scared. What advice would you give to new international students?
So once you have recorded your response, you click that Send button, and then the conversation goes from there. I don't have any advice because I need advice. Speak, record, send.
That's okay. Many students feel the same way. What do you enjoy most about studying at IVC?
So the Chattybot should just keep the conversation going, and this should allow you to practice your English and get that speaking practice, even if you don't have anyone in your house to practice with, or if you're too scared or whatever, you should have an opportunity. And that's how you use the Chattybot function in our Canvas class.